Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer. At the front, we do have the jack coupler and safety chains. This trailer has 24-inch silver ATP on the bottom and tip of the trailer. There's a black screwed exterior, as well as teardrop fenders. Coming to the rear of the trailer, there is a spring assisted loading ramp with an extended flap. Coming into the trailer, there are 4 D-rings flush with your floor, 2 on the rear and 2 at the front. This trailer has a 36-inch side door with an RV lock as well as a bar lock on the outside. There are 2 vents, one at the front and one at the rear of the enclosed trailer. There's a 12-volt dome light as well as the light switch by your passenger side door. You have the spring assist for the loading ramp. There are LED brake lights. This trailer does have 2 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch rims and tires. You have the passenger side door from the outside with your bar and RV lock. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer with silver ATP. If you are looking for this trailer or any other trailer, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.